Hi everybody, Andrew Cherin, attorney at law. I represent people injured in car accidents in Seattle, Washington, and today I'm talking about hit and run accidents. So what do you do if you have suffered a hit and run accident? What are your options going forward? A lot of times these are very scary situations. Someone rear ends you, disables your vehicle, leaves you on the side of the road, and just runs off, and you don't have enough time to figure out their information. If you did have time to somehow take a picture of their license plate or get any information you could, there's ways that we can track down this hit and run person and go after them if they have insurance. If they don't have insurance or you can't track them down, there's also ways that you can get compensated for your injuries through your own insurance company, but there's things that you have to do to report these things very quickly. So if you have an insurance policy called UIM insurance or uninsured or underinsured motorist policies, you can use that as your hit and run type compensation package. To do that, you have to report your claim within a certain amount of time and file a police report within a certain amount of time as well. So immediately after the accident, you want to call the police and try to report any information you can about what just happened, where it happened, and give any description you can about the vehicle that hit you, and get a police report going. Then what you want to do is call your insurance company and say, hey, what can I do? I was just involved in a hit and run accident. Do I have UIM insurance? Do I have coverage for this? Now, if you have UIM coverage, you have to do that police reporting within really a short amount of time, because there's language in the policy that says if you don't report it to the police within a certain amount of time, you lose your benefits. So you wouldn't be able to get those UIM benefits. So these UIM benefits are huge because UIM insurance steps in the place of the third party defendant. So the person that hits you, it would act as if their insurance company was there and you get compensated just the same. So you get pain and suffering, you get your lost wages, you get your medical bills paid, everything. Um, but if you don't have UIM insurance, I highly recommend that you get UIM insurance. Not just for hit and run accidents, it covers a lot of different situations as well. It covers people that don't have enough insurance or they don't have any insurance, but they stayed at the scene. Yeah, you find it very surprising how many people actually don't have insurance or have the bare minimum of insurance. I've seen some studies that show that as few as 17% of people don't have insurance. So 17% of people are driving around without insurance. And just think of who else is driving around with the bare minimum of insurance, which is 25,000 liability in Washington State. So 2550, 25,000 for one person injured, $50,000 for multiple people injured, and capped at $25,000 for one person. So that's not enough really to cover extreme, anywhere moderate car accidents. It's not going to cover hospital bills, um, emergency room visits, any type of surgery that you could have. So if you're involved in a major accident and the only person on the other side only has $25,000 in coverage, you're out of luck, really, if you don't have UIM insurance. UIM insurance is so inexpensive too. It's as little as less than $10 a month for $250,000 worth of coverage. Everyone should have it. It's just a no-brainer. Why pay for $50 and $40 a month for collision coverage? Um, well, you don't have UIM insurance. It just doesn't make sense to me. You know, insure yourself, which there's only one of, which can't be really repaired at an auto body shop. So get the policy, make sure you have UIM insurance, make sure you have that pretty much maxed out, or at least have $250,000 of UIM coverage. It's not that expensive. Then you can deal with those hit and run situations and worry free about it. Just hire a personal injury lawyer to handle all the insurance claims and deal with the insurance company and make sure you get those benefits. If you've been injured in a car accident, give me a call. My number is 206-850-6716. I give free consultations. If you want to learn more about Seattle personal injury law and car accident law, feel free to visit my website. There's a lot of great information on there. My website's www.lawcherin.com.